So I've been avoiding cleaning out this closet for I cannot tell you how long. The goal today is to go through every single piece of clothing and try things on to see what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, to have more things that I love that I reach for instead of things that are taking up space, because living in a camper full time, we just can't be having that, okay? I'm talking every single item is coming out. By the end of this video, this closet is going to look so different. So I'm actually really excited to get started. Next, I think I'm going to separate everything. I've lost all of my audio, so don't mind these voiceovers. I wanted these for so long, keep. Flip turn merch, keep. I wear this all the time to bed, keep. I don't really wear this as much anymore, so get rid of. Colton got me this Fallout shirt, keep. This is one of my first good thrift finds. It's Parks Project, keep. Patagonia, keep. Bonnaroo merch, I've always got to keep that, you guys. I love this Doctor Who shirt. I've yet to wear it, but keep. The graphic on this is so cute, but the color does not look good on me, so get rid of. Bonnaroo, keep. Bonnaroo, keep. This is my painting shirt, keep. Slightly Stupid merch, keep. My second shirt, keep. As you can see the tags on this, I forgot I even had this, but I love this. Keep. Tags on this because I totally forgot I had this too. I thrifted this and I think I like it on me, so keep. Morgan Wallen merch, keep. RKS merch, keep. This is a poncho for winter, keep. I don't like the feeling of this, so get rid of. I don't even know what that was. I got rid of it, I guess. Chopper shirt, keep. I have so many tank tops, keep. 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 I've had this for over 10 years and I've never wore it. Get rid of. I love that, keep. I've yet to wear this, but I think this would be so cute for a festival. Keep. Keep. I got this from Thailand, keep. I don't like the way that looks on me. Get rid of. Get rid of. Keep. I don't like the feeling. Get rid of. Get rid of. Keep. I love it. Keep. Love it. Keep. 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 And keep. My camera overheated, so we're switching it up. I want to like these, but get rid of. If I haven't worn it, I'm getting rid of it. I'm getting rid of it. It's happening. I love her, but I have not worn her at all. Is that better? I have not worn this in a hot minute. I think I've outgrown this, so get rid of it. We're keeping her. We love her. I know these two for sure are keep. Keep. Here's me realizing there's still so much to do. I literally just bought this vest at Goodwill. I think this is my new favorite thing that I've ever owned. Because what do you mean? Look at the little giraffes and the cheetahs. And you know, I have become so obsessed with cheetah print, and you know what? Just look at this. Appreciate. Perfect for fall. I cannot wait to wear this. Love her. Keep. I thrifted this because it's all wool and I needed a really good vest. Keep. Get rid of. Get rid of. One thing about me is I love flowy pants, and I legit bought these in every single color, but this is really all I've worn. What do you mean? This is not the cutest looking thing. Love these. These, I don't wear these. Get rid of. I will wear these this summer. I will keeping these. I love these. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm going to give these a try, but if not, I will get rid of them. I love these. These are so fun, so cute. I've been going at this for so long, and I'm so nowhere near done. Get rid of. This is the only romper that I own. Love her. Cute open back moments. Keep. One thing about me is I love my flowy pants. Keep. The deal for me is I wanted to love these so bad. It's just, I really don't wear white because I feel like they're always so see-through. Get rid of. Keep. 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 Get rid of. Keep. Keep. And here I'm just going through everything that I hang up. But I have to show you Mama's Girl. So cute. And here I lost audio, so I'm just showing you a quick glimpse of everything that I decided to keep or get rid of. For my closet being a small space, I still have so much room to put things, so just enjoy this little clip. All of the hangers. And these are all of my scarves, and I know I'm keeping every single one of them because I love all of them. I did just go through my shoes not long ago, so I didn't really show that. Everything that's hung up is all of my nice dressy clothes. But here I have all of my pants on the top, all of my vests and my cardigans on the bottom shelf, shoes underneath. And then in the back here folded, I have t-shirts, long sleeves, and sweaters. And then on the bottom, it's all of my pants, shorts, jeans, pajamas. And then to the side is all of my packing cubes that has all my socks, bras, underwear, and my cute little washer dryer combo. Hey babes, this is McKenna from the future while editing. I did not realize I did not do an outro for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you babes.